Hey, gals and guys, it's Chris Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and this time out doing an analytic video. I haven't done one since June, so a couple months ago, so I thought it was time, and I wanted to do one more before the year anniversary of this here channel, so that's going to be October 1st. We started officially October 1st of 2020, and that will be fun, I think. Maybe. So yeah, I wanted to rock this out before then. One more before we go to the year. And let me shrink my dumb ass here. There we go. You didn't think you could shrink that big fat head, could you? All right, we're going out 7 days to start with. And we start with the YouTubes like we normally do. And I just noticed that the last two videos that I put up on YouTube are not in HD. They only go up to 360, which I apologize. I think I changed it in my editing program, so when I render it, it didn't go HD, and I'm not going to change it now. The two videos aren't that important. I mean, you can kind of get the gist of it without them being in beautiful high definition. But this one, baby, will be in high definition on the ones beyond that, because I fixed that issue. All right, and so where the heck am I? Oh, yeah. Okay. So as you see, if you watch other analytic videos, and I don't really expect you to, I mostly do these for myself. I mean, I do them for you. It's just, it's interesting to go back and see over the months and the weeks how things have changed. So, I mean, I do them, I guess, for anyone who's freaking interested, I guess. Thank you, everyone, who has subscribed. We're up to 49 subscribers, hopefully 50 after a year. That doesn't seem like a lot because it really isn't. I don't really go out and advertise for subscribers. I just do my videos and I put them out there on the channel and I let them sit. And then if I meet somebody, I'll tell them about the channel if they want to subscribe or not. But I don't really do any advertising or any balls to the wall type of promotions to the channel. I just put it on YouTube and let the algorithm of YouTube do its thing. Will I change that in 2021, or that should I say in the next year? I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. You have to get 1,000 subscribers in order to monetize, and you also have to have 3,000 watch hours. It's 4,000 watch hours. Actually, someone corrected me on that, and they were absolutely correct. 4,000 watch hours in a year in order to monetize. And that's, that's the end goal as far as the channel is concerned. Plus, I love doing the videos. I mean, it's just not that. But a passive income as far as the videos are concerned. So I can go out and do writing and other things, make better videos, make me take more time. I got a full-time job. So it does become a jungling act, especially if you want a relationship, and which I don't really have one right now, so that works out. But anyways, this is 7 days out. Let's take a look at some of the popular videos. Have been really the same ones all along. This Amazon Air 5461 video. I don't know why this 33 thing is right there in the middle. Let's refresh, see if it goes away. Because it's just annoying. All right, it went away. So so this let's see, recover permanent deleted Gmail. If you ever deleted your Gmail by accident, you have about 30 days plus to recover them from Google. An unboxing. This one's getting popular, and I thought it would, because I could not find a goddamn video about this online that explains the whole thing, and I was able to put one together. So, and then most of this stuff has been part of the big watchers for a long time now. So I'm going to go out to 28 days and kind of take a look. And there's a big hump there. We all like big humps, don't we? Oh boy. So let's just get the gist of that. And let's see what we've reached in the past 90 days. Impressions are going up. And I have to say that I haven't really done anything in a month. I was writing for a month, so I hardly did any videos. So just that it sustained itself while I was gone, it makes me happy, because I was out in November 2020. I did the same thing for a month and it went tanked. The channel tanked. And I'm glad to see it sustains itself now that there's a number of videos that are up now. So impressions are way up, 52K. And click rate through impressions are, I think even in 7, if you go to 7 days, impressions are down, but even though they're down, still the click rate is still going up. So that's great. That's great. And I don't want to go too far because I'm going to do the whole year in my next video and get into that. So I'm just going to kill this. Okay, this is Google Analytics. So I just wanted to compare the 2 months, July and August. And I think that's all this going up here. This has a big deal to the fact that I'm going to show you what I've been doing is I've been taking my videos and putting them on Instagram, Pinterest, Vimeo, which hasn't been that big a deal, Metacafe, and Daily Motion, and a couple other ones. So I've been farting around with that. So I think the links from those video sites have transcended to my current website, which I really, really have to find time to work on and get some content on there. And that will be coming up soon. I hope so. Yeah, there's different, I mean, I've showed you guys this before, right? There's different insights that you can get into. Yeah, let me go to home. Okay, and if you just click down here, it says more insights, and there's probably more information that, I don't know, anyone would possibly need, but it's all there for the taking. Don't really concentrate on this all that much. It doesn't matter to me. I'm more concentrated. Well, it doesn't matter to me, but I'm more concentrated on my YouTube channel than I am my website. But it is something that I need to focus. It's all a matter of time, though, because again, I work in. It's a juggling act. Plus, I did all that writing for a month, and I do other projects, so it's hard to get everything in. And I do like to travel, even though they're day trips. So this is Creator Studio. This is Facebook Creator Studio. So this is Facebook videos that I've been starting to upload very, very much lately this past summer. And so this is kind of in its infancy. I don't know what the hell happened there. Maybe I just uploaded a lot of videos that day or something. But there's really not much to see at this point. I can see some of the more popular videos. Lesson 4, for whatever reason, is a popular one. My dating one, I can see why that would be popular. And yeah, just kind of gives you an idea of what videos are doing good. And then if you know or don't know, Facebook does own Instagram. So, this is another Facebook analytic. So it just kind of gives me an idea of what postings are doing okay. These are all fairly new postings. So this is 9/4/2021. So it's the 7th now. So it's just 3 days ago. I guess we can go down a little bit. Don't want to bore you to death if I haven't already. So for whatever this reason, this one trended. I can't tell you why. It just is. I can't tell if that's August or I'm being old here. All right. So as we get older, you can see more of these have been engaged more. So we'll get out of that. And this is Instagram. And I'm going to do a whole video on how to do this, how to upload videos to here and keep track of them and everything. That's a video that is pending. And so you can just kind of get an idea. I must have posted a lot of stuff this day. I've just really started with Instagram. If you're interested, this is what the Instagram posts look like. This is just Instagram, and this is IGTV. So I've just been posting like a madman, taking all my YouTube videos and just putting them on different platforms just because YouTube's, I don't know. I've made other videos before about it, just the way YouTube's canceling people, and social media is just, I don't know. It's a mixed bag of crazy, I guess. But yeah, there's that. So I've also been pinning them on Pinterest. So I have been just taking basically my links from YouTube and just putting them on here. Here's some analytics for it. As you can see, I really didn't start until like the 16th. And I putter with it, really. If I'm in bed and I want to play with it. Talking about pin interest. I'll pin some of my videos to it just to kill just to kill some time. Oh boy. Okay, so we'll kill that. We'll kill that. And we'll go to my Twitter. Well, we'll keep with the innuendo. Let's look at my Twitter, my tweeter. So this is pretty consistent. As far as whenever I publish on Vimeo, it actually goes and makes a tweet. So I connected the two. The impressions are insane. I mean, they're up 8,000, as you can see, 27% in the past 28 days. Followers, I've never had a lot of followers with Twitter. Do I care about Twitter? Not necessarily. Should I care about Twitter? It's a popular social media outlet. I don't put a lot of energy into it, but I do post my videos on there, but I don't, it's just fun to look at. Vimeo, I tried. Vimeo's not really made for my content. Vimeo's kind of like the Cadillac of video posting, I'd like to call it. I think it's more towards the creator mentality, short films, fiction, documentary, stuff like that. Not tutorials like mine. I don't think people go there to look at how-to videos like they do YouTube. They go there to be entertained by something else. So will I continue? No, just to the fact that they only allow 5 gig and then you have to pay for the platform. And I'm going to go full 5 gig with my content, and then I'm just going to leave it there. And unless something really turns around and people really start watching it on Vimeo, I'm not gonna sweat it. All right, guys and gals, that's about it. I mean, there's some other offshoots I wasn't going to bring up. I'm going to bring them up next time. I just wanted to kind of give you a feel and just kind of update as what things are going on. It's going to be really interesting to look next time because I'm going to go a full year out to see what the year has brought. And as far as moving forward, I got some ideas as far as content. I'm going to be doing SharePoint. I'm going to be doing more Microsoft products. I'm going to be doing more comedic videos because, I don't know, I like to do them. And I have this weird idea in my head that I'm halfway funny. So I'm going to be doing some different types of things. And of course, I'm going to keep doing my travel essay videos and my tutorials, which I like to do. I'm just going to do some more off the wall stuff and see how that flies because I like to be funny sometimes. Sometimes I'm not funny. People don't think I'm funny. That would be up to you. All right, gals and guys, that is all I have for today. Thanks for, if you made it through this entire video, have a sandwich or, get yourself some big bottle of rum and toss it right down because you deserve it. Making it through this whole video. Please like and join the channel. Sorry, I'm getting tired. It's getting late. Subscribe to the channel. Please share if you could. Hit the bell below for updates. And I promise you the next year is going to be much more wonderful. I got my new backdrop and it's so pretty and I love it. It's blue just like my shirt. And I appreciate you as always. And I will talk to you very, very soon. Lots of stuff to come. Bye.